graphing inequalities. Or okay, now question number 9, we just solved it earlier. Okay, and then now we're gonna type it in here. I'm gonna show it to you that this is the right Desmos. There are several Desmos that you can use, but this Desmos is the right uh, technology. Okay, I'm gonna show you why. So here, the first equation we solved was y, was that less than, it says less than here, less than negative 2. The one on the top, negative 2 minus x, close parenthesis, divide by 2. This is wrong. This is wrong. Y less than. Okay. If you notice, the line did not appear on the graph. Okay. That's how. And then there's a exclamation on the left side. It means you cannot do it. Okay. Anyway, let me continue. Let me try the next line here. Y is less than parenthesis 3 minus x, close parenthesis, divided by 1. Same thing. It didn't graph, no? So that's the reason this is the right Desmos, is because on your STAAR test, you will see the same thing. You cannot use this inequality at the bottom. So what you're gonna do here, since we already know the equation, we know that this is two lines are broken line. Both are broken line. We're just choosing between B and C. Okay. So I'm gonna change this to equal sign. Now the line is start showing up. Okay. Now, okay, this is minus 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 minus. So here we go. This was the graph. Remember, the line is gonna be a broken line on green and broken line on blue, and then the shaded part is underneath because it's both of them are less than. So these are the shaded part here. All right, let's go on to the next question. Now, question number 8, we just solved it. Okay, so y equals we just solved it. It says that less than or equal, parentheses, 100 minus 8x, close parentheses, divide by 5. Same thing. You cannot find the graph because the inequality here is disabled. Okay, so you just need to know that we just solved it earlier, that you put equal sign, the graph looks like this. Okay, now that's the one that is showing on question number 8. Okay, now but the question here, it's there is less than or equal, it means your shading part is underneath. This part here is the shading part here. Under the 20, this line here, under that is the shaded part. Okay. Thank you.